Hi everybody and welcome to Online Math 121. I just want to send you this video to introduce myself and to hopefully familiarize you a little bit with the website. So my name is Craig Fallhaber. I'm your instructor for the class this semester. Let's get started. So first of all, I got to this web page by typing in mymathlab.com. And it should send you right here. If you haven't already, please do register as a student. Just follow the instructions using the course ID that I emailed you a while back. If you've already registered, then you just click sign in. My password and login are already saved. And you should have a list of classes here. Spring 2014 Math 121 is the one. And when you load the page, it should pop up to a page that looks something like this here. There it is. Now you'll notice that there's a homework due January 31st and a quiz due January 31st. So to study for the quiz, I recommend at least starting with the homework. You can find the homework here by clicking the homework link. And when all the assignments pop up, you can just click the first assignment. Again, you can see the due date here. And you'll see there are, 40 questions in this first homework assignment. I'll just click question 1 to kind of show you what's going on with the website. Okay, so the first question has you plotting a point, and all you really have to do there is you have to go to 6.1. To actually pull up the graph, what you have to do is click this button right here. And then you'll be allowed to click wherever you want on this graph. 6.1 is the point right here. You can click save, and you can check your answer, and it should give you a little fantastic there. As soon as you hit OK, you'll see a check mark by your first problem. Now, if you were stumped on this problem, you can click Help Me Solve This, or my personal favorite is View an Example. If you click View an Example, it'll kind of give you a little explanation of a very, very similar problem. And you can just keep reading and clicking Continue until they give you an answer. Now, if you're still stumped after the Help Me Solve This and View an Example, you can also click an animation. You can go to your textbook. There, it'll bring you to the correct section of the book. And if you're still stuck, you can click to connect to a tutor if you like, or you can contact me. You can click this Ask My Instructor button, and if you do, you follow the steps, you send me an email, and it'll actually send me the exact problem you're working on, and it'll tell me if you've made any progress. So don't be afraid to use that. So once you finish the homework, that's 40 problems again. I'm going to close that out. If you feel like you haven't practiced enough, and I should say that you can rework on this homework as much as you want. You don't have to do it all in one sitting. But if you feel like you haven't gotten enough practice, I would recommend going to the study plan. And when you get to the study plan, click View All Chapters. That's probably the best way to do it. You can click Chapter 1, because I believe that's the chapter we're working on. You can click a section, say Introduction to Graphing, and you can see all of the problems available on this website from that section. So once you feel like you got enough practice and you're ready to take the quiz, all you have to do is click Quizzes and Tests, and you can go to this quiz here. So when you open up the quiz, it'll give you this screen right here. Basically, it's telling you that you only get one chance at taking the quiz. Once you enter it, you have to finish it all in one sitting. So that is done entirely online. Now once you've gone through the first 3 homework sets and done the first 3 quizzes, you'll notice that there's a chapter test to be taken. But it does have to be taken in our testing center here at Red Rocks, or if you're out of town, you can find a testing center near where you are to take the test there. If you do need to take the test in an outside testing center other than Red Rocks, you'll have to contact me in advance so that we can get everything set up with that testing center. So feel free to click around on this website. You have chapter contents where if you kind of follow these links, you will eventually get to an ebook version of your paper book. It's the same book, it's just online. You also have a multimedia library, which is a way to access any kind of videos or animations available for the chapters and sections that you're looking at. But really that's it. So just a quick note about being an online student in general. If you want help, you're going to have to seek it out. We don't have a class that we show up to, so I'm not going to be able to necessarily tell what your issues are unless you ask questions. So please don't hesitate to send me an email. Use all the resources on the website. And I'm pretty quick with the email, so let's keep in touch. All right, good luck this semester, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon.